Right, again, this is the second video in the past couple of weeks where we don't really answer these type of questions, otherwise we'll be here all week. We are a tech review channel. I'm going to have to answer this one. This is a quick question that was emailed to me on how to remove and reassemble the links when it comes to the Rogbid Tank M5 smartwatch. We did previously review this smartwatch. It is absolutely amazing, by the way. And you know what? I personally still own this. So here's an explanation and the answer to the question on how to remove the links and how to put it back together. So first of all, you're going to have to examine the bracelet. Find the small arrows that are etched onto the inner side of the links. These will show the directions in which to unscrew the pins. Use the watch link screw tool that is provided. Loosen the pin in the direction of the arrows. The tool head should fit snugly into the pin slot, and ever so slowly twist the tool clockwise with light pressure to unscrew the pin. Hold the watch band steady while you work, and the link should now be removed. Now you've got to repeat the process for the pins on the other side of the watch on the link that you want to remove. It is best to remove an equal amount of links from each side of the clasp to keep the watch centered on your wrist. So after removing the pins, it is best to store the pins and those now extra links in a safe place in case you need them for future circumstances. To assemble the watch back together, bring the two ends of the bracelet together where you want them to be reconnected. Insert the screw pin back into the link and start by pushing it in by hand as far as it will go. You can use a very small screwdriver or in fact a flathead tool to either screw the pin clockwise or push it in so it's flush to the edge of the link. You can check the fit by trying on the watch obviously, or if your watch does have them, use the micro adjustment holes in the clasp for a finer adjustment if needed. And that is basically it. That is how to remove and reinstall links on the Rogbid Tank M5 smartwatch bracelet. Now if you want to, check the full review out for the Rogbid Tank M5. It is a wonderful smartwatch. It does come with two bracelets, by the way. One's rubberized and one is a nice posh style bracelet, yes. That video will be showing at the end of this one, but if this video has been helpful to you guys, not only on the Rogbid Tank M5 smartwatch, but on any particular smartwatch, get commenting in the comment section did it actually work for you in regards to the Rogbid Tank M5. If this video has been helpful, click a like on the video, share it wherever possible, but not only that, get subscribing just now, will ya? We're going to be uploading some more tech reviews real soon, so click the bell notification option so you guys stay updated when those particular videos go live. Now talking about videos, here's the Rogbid Tank M5 just now showing on screen. Quickly click it and look at all of the features that watch has to offer, yes. Or you could watch this one. But until next time, I'll catch you all in a bit. Peace.